So today we had our family gathering for a launch party after the kids built their rockets these last few weeks. And so today we met and we got to let the parents watch their kids' success and see their rockets go up and recover them.
We were launching rockets so our parents could see what we were doing in Rocket Club.
That's cool. So what is Rocket Club?
It's where we learn about aerospace and rockets.
Dakota, what do you learn in Rocket Club?
I learned that while you're in space, it makes your muscles weaker.
It started last year. We piloted it with just a little 3 or 4 week rocket club, and we built some rockets and shot them off. Woohoo! And then a chance happened with STEM Core at Texas Tech. They said, well, we can fund that for a full year. And so it kind of developed organically as a partnership between Stewart Elementary, my department, because I do this as engaged scholarship through Texas Tech, trying to put STEM out in the classes, develop interest, and then through STEM Core. We did a pilot out at Guadalupe Parkway Center during the summer, another kind of seeing what works and what doesn't. And so this year we launched it for a full year. So they'll end up building 2 rockets throughout the rocket camp for this school year.
So have you had a lot of fun in Rocket Club?
Definitely.
What's been your favorite part?
Launching the rockets.
What's been your favorite part?
Launching the rockets.
Mine is the kids, obviously. Working with them, I just love, seeing their little faces light up when one goes up. I've been doing rockets myself since I was a kid. Woohoo! Got my grandkids involved, and so getting to have other kids experience the hobby in an area where high wind kind of limits the number of people that get into this hobby, it's just fun to see.
What does it feel like when you flip that switch and your rocket goes off?
It's cool and amazing. It's super fun, and we get to learn about a bunch of rockets.
The other part I like about it is the partnerships and the community connections that you make. Enough can't be said about, being engaged with Texas Tech and Lubbock ISD and the teachers. I get support from all the teachers. They're all excited to have their kids get picked to be in it. And so it's just a great community to be a part of.